Hello, this is part 7 of how to create social network website like Facebook. Okay, so we are going to continue with the tutorials. My name is Samuel Quenes, the founder of eReader Digitals and eReader Host. So as I said, we are going to continue. So here, this is a sample site, and if this is your first time, or then I'm going to show you around. So as you can see, we have that is the top menu here, and also the sidebar menu where you can click that to expand it to check the other pages. Okay, you can, under courses, we have course dashboard. Let me go back. Sorry. So here, when you go to courses, we have dashboard where you can go there to check your course dashboard. That is where we have the courses you have been enrolled, and then also the course completed and other stuffs. Okay, let's go to the front end by clicking on the logo. Okay, good. So as I said, in our last video, we learned about how to get the plugins for free. If you have not watched the video, then go back and watch part 6 of the video. Okay, we are going to use the most popular social network plugin called BuddyBoss. Okay, so we are going to install BuddyBoss and also Tutor LMS for these tutorials. Okay, good. Now, if as I said, if you don't have the plugin, go to the go and watch the part 6 of the video, and you will know how to get those plugin for free. It's a premium plugin. Okay, good. Thank you. Now let's move on. Now I have already downloaded the plugins and I have it on my computer. So under resources here, I have it here. That is BuddyBoss and Tutor Pro. Okay, and the BuddyBoss 2 is a Pro. Okay, so we are going to look at, so first of all, let me extract the BuddyBoss. So I will right click it and select extract here. Okay, so good. So after that, then you see this folder. When you open it, then we have extract 2 items inside the folder. Okay, there is 4 items. So we have the BuddyBoss chat theme, and then BuddyBoss platform plugin, BuddyBoss platform pro, and then BuddyBoss theme. So we are going to install the theme and the plugins here. Okay, so let me minimize this and let's go back to, this is our site that we are working on, the domain. So I'm going to log in first. So I will enter /wp-admin just to log in. I will enter my login details. Okay, so that is, let me enter eReader. Okay, eReader Digitals. Okay, good, and I will log in. Good, I'm on my dashboard. Now let's look at the default theme. This is the default theme. I've opened it in a new tab, and this is the default theme. So first we have to install the plugin and the themes. Okay, so first let me go to appearance, then I'll select themes. Okay, then I'll go to add new. Now we have upload. We can install one from the dashboard, but all these are free themes. Okay, but we are going to install a premium theme. Okay, so let's go to upload and click here. You can now locate the folder which contains the theme. So first of all, let us install the BuddyBoss theme first before we will install the chat theme. So I will click open and click install here. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment. You can even share so that others can also benefit from this course. Okay, so I'm here, so I have to activate it. Now let me close this. This is a video of that's the BuddyBoss, like intro video. We don't need that. Let me close that. Let's come back here and refresh the page. You see it will change. Now let's see. Good, now we have a new look, and when you see it's very nice. Okay, good. So we have a new form. As you can see, you cannot see the distance, the sidebar here. this sidebar. It's not there. Okay, the sidebar is not there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. But let's come back here. Now we are going to install the chart theme. So I will click here, appearance again, themes. Then I'll go to add new. For now, we have installed this one, the BuddyBoss. So let me delete this default theme because I don't want to have any theme which is not active. Okay, it's not good. So I will go to upload, then I will select it, then select chart theme. Okay, so first you have to install the BuddyBoss theme, then the second you install the chart theme. So let me click install. Good, and I will activate it. Okay, good. I can now close it again, and let's go here and refresh the page. Let me refresh the page. Okay, stop. Okay, so we need to add lots of stuff. So let us continue here. So I'll come back here. Now we have installed the BuddyBoss theme, and then the chart theme, and also the theme. So right now, what is left is the plugin. Okay, so let's go to plugins, add new. Let's go to upload. Let's click here and select BuddyBoss plugin. Okay, don't go with the pro one, go with the free one first, and click open, install. Okay, so it's successful. I will activate it. Good. I can now close this again. Let's go to plugin again, add new, upload, click here, and now let's go for BuddyBoss Platform Pro and install. Okay, so we have to activate it. And now don't worry about the update. Okay, very soon I will add the updates on the community. Okay, so that you get access to updates. So don't update this one, leave it. Let's come back here and refresh the page, and let's see the features which has been added. Okay, good. So now we have added the BuddyBoss. You see, now we have all these. Okay, good. So let's come back here, and now we are going to see if we are using a verified lances. So let's go to BuddyBoss. We have BuddyBoss here. So let's check lances keys, and as you can see, it says BuddyBoss Pro. See, and then the key has been added already. Okay, so we don't need it anymore. It has been added already. Okay, good. So we have BuddyBoss Pro, which means that it has been added. So you don't have to do anything here, just leave it. Okay, good. So let me go to, let's see if I can view the, okay, can view the key, the lances key, but just don't touch it. Okay, because if you do, you'll be getting a lot of errors. Okay, so let's go to, now we have installed the BuddyBoss theme and the BuddyBoss plugin, so we have to activate it. Okay, so let's come back to settings. Now when we go here, you can see that here we don't have much information here. Okay, but let's make do the settings first. So first, let me go to components. Okay, so under component here, if you want to have a social group whereby you can create a group, or you want your members to be able to create a group, then we have to select this. And then the forum, if you want to add that, if you want your members to be able to upload media like photos and videos, but on my platform here, you can't post a video. Okay, it's only photos. Okay, let me show you that. So if I want to go for video, okay, so over here I have a video here. Because video is not allowed here, that's why we can't see the videos. Okay, yes, okay, let me make it all. Now there's a video here. Let me see. You see, yeah, there's no way we can upload it. Okay, so good. Let me close that. So I have intentionally disabled that part, okay, because I don't want people to be posting a lot of videos on this platform. So let's go with so I'll show you how to do that in case if you want to. So private messages, if you want members to private chats or something of that sort. If you want members to connect, that is, friendship, to send friends requests and so on and so forth. And we have email invites. Members can send an invite through email. Okay. And we have moderators. I think I need all these, so just select them, and you can uncheck these because it has been activated already. So let's come back here and select activate and apply. Now as you can, why? Okay. Now let's activate this again and do this. Okay, so we have activated all the components of the BuddyBoss. Okay, good. Let's go to pages and let's see what we have. And the pages, make sure all the pages have been added. Okay, so we have all the default pages, so there's nothing to worry about. Good. So we have the follow members and everything. So make sure that all the pages are here. After that, let's move on to settings. Okay, so we are going to do some features settings here. Now let's go down here and let me show you something. Allow non-members to register new accounts. If you want members to create an account, then you have to allow that. Okay, good. So add legal agreement checkbox to your registration form if you want to do that. Email confirmation to a register form. I don't need that, or password confirmation. Okay, yes. Restriction. If you want to restrict restriction, this is where you can do that. Okay, in fact I don't want to restrict anyone. Okay, good. But here, that's the most important thing. Now let me open this website in a private window. Okay, in the new incognito, okay, window. So let me enter the domain here, and when you open it, you see you'll be able to have access to the platform. Okay, and the reason is because of this one. Okay, here we have private website. So when you check this, it means that if the visitor is not a registered member, it will take the person to a login page or the registration page. Okay, so let me save that. Okay, good. So after that, we have this checkbox here. We can decide to allow a certain pages to be accessed by those who are not members. Okay, let me show you how it works. Now, for now, because of this activation, when I open this one in the new incognito, you see that I won't be able to access it. You see, we are here. Okay, good. Now let me show you, but there's another way that we can also do that. Okay, we can allow a certain page to be viewed by those who are not registered members, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go to dashboard from the back end here. Let's go to pages, and as you can see, these are the BuddyBoss default pages. Okay, good. Let's say I want this one here to be visible, okay, to non-registered members. So I'll copy the link, and now let me come back here. I'll paste the link here, okay, and save it. Or you can decide to remove everything and just type news-feed. Okay, so I can just only type this I'll blank slash here. Okay, and save it. Okay, good. So if I open this website, this link, this particular link in a private one, and enter it, I'll be able to access the platform. You see, I can now access the platform just because I have made this one visible, okay, to non-registered members. Okay, so let me close that. But this is a closed community. When you go to Facebook, facebook.com, you see, if you don't have an account, you won't be able to access any platform. Okay, good. You won't be able to access any platform. So that's it. So you need an account in order before you can see the content of this platform. That's what we are trying to do here. So I will remove this. Good. And proceed. Go down here. The rest is okay. So I will save it. Good. Now we are done with this phase. So this is the end of this tutorial. Our next tutorial, we will continue with the settings. Okay, I will show you a lot of stuff, what you need to do just to get a nice website. Thank you for watching. Don't give up. Okay, follow these tutorials and you will get there. Bye bye.